You searched how to buy shares of CNA Financial Corporation. CNA is a Chicago-based property and casualty insurance company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CNA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you usually must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CNA to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly shows CNA Financial Corporation to ensure you have the correct stock. On the CNA stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Double-check the company name and the CNA ticker to confirm this is the right asset. Tap the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be executed when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.